All right, guys, polka outside turn. Now, once you finish this pattern, you are off to the races, meaning you have done all 4 of the basic elements of polka. There's going to be one more later. We'll talk about that later. But this is going to be completion of your basic set of polka, because we did the basic, we did the promenade, we turned it to the left, and now we have to learn how to turn it to the right. So I'm going to show you what the basic turn to the right looks like. We're going to go triple 1, triple 2. She's going to turn 1.5 turns to land in promenade and in triple step. Okay, so that entire turn is going to start and finish once again in that first triple step. Now, I talked earlier about there's a turning triple and a non-turning triple. Okay, so that entire turn has to start and finish in that first triple step. So if we completed the basic step from earlier, we have triple 1. She's in front of me here. I'm going to turn her outside over her head, and I'm going to land in promenade. That is entirely going to finish in that first triple step, and now I'm beside her, and now we can do the second triple. So guys, it is our responsibility as the leaders to manage the alignments. Like, where am I located in relation to where she's located? If she's in front of me and I need her beside me, I've got to catch up. If she's beside me, I need her past me, I've got to slow down. Okay, so the outside turn or the right turn here is exactly the same as inside turn, except for it's to the right and to the left and it's backwards. It's just in reverse. So we're going to go triple 1, triple 2. Now I'm going to turn her. I'm going to get up beside her. So basically, I'm going to be traveling more for triple step and triple step. Now, guys, let me give you a little trick to doing this. So if you watch my feet, if I'm doing my basic and I go forward, together, forward, forward, together, forward, when I turn her, instead of having my feet step together, I'm just going to go run, run, run. That allows that second step to gain a little bit more ground. Instead of like forward, stop, forward, I'm actually going forward, forward, forward. That's going to allow me to catch up to her a little bit. So I'm going to show you that one more time. It is forward, together, forward, forward, together, forward, run, 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 triple step. Okay, so I said a minute ago that once you've completed this pattern, you've pretty much gotten through your bases. Let me show you how all of this stuff ties in together. So if I add those 4 patterns together, you have the basic, you have the right turn, you have a promenade, and then you have your inside left turn, and then you could just repeat that process over and over as many times as you want it. Most everything beyond this point is going to be some derivative or some variation of a basic right turn or left turn. I mean, that's pretty much it. So once we've done those things, everything else will be a whole lot easier. One thing I want to point out, we've not talked about yet, but if you watch any amount of videos that we've produced in the past, we've talked about this halo that goes around her head. Okay? This halo that goes around her head, whenever we're turning her, we're going to keep her in the center of this halo and let that travel around her head. So if I'm here, I'm going to go triple 1, triple 2. I place the hand into the halo, and as I'm turning her, I let it circle around her head to finish here. If I turn it the other direction, it's the same halo. Women are angels, okay? My wife taught me that. So, and that's going to be the outside turn. Now, before you move any further in polka, I want to make sure you guys can do the basic, the promenade, the left turn, the right turn. Know them upside down, backwards, forward. Just, you know, wake up at 3 o'clock in the morning and, I mean, don't do that, but you know, you know them without having anything of it, because most everything is going to branch off of these patterns. So, and that is your outside turn.